I'm with Paul Broadhurst, who's CEO of Technetix. Paul, what do you see as the main priorities for cable operators as they're upgrading and investing in their networks at the moment?
The big challenge is growth of bandwidth, and all the cable operators have just come out of the last 5 years of switch off of analog, which gave a dividend which they've been able to ride for the last 5 years. That bandwidth dividend has come to an end now, so they all have to add on significant bandwidth. So what we see in the market is a massive expansion in network capacity in terms of adding bandwidth.
How well placed do you think cable is to match the speeds offered by telecom competitors, including those investing in fibre?
Cable is very, very well placed because cable has the advantage of cable in the ground over fibre. Its only real competition is copper, and as you can see, both in Europe and North America, they are all taking advantage of the rollout of DOCSIS 3.1, which basically gives cable networks the capacity of 10 gigabits download, 2 gigahertz upload. So effectively, cable over coax actually has the capacity that the best fibre offers. So massive opportunity for cable, but at much reduced cost, between a fifth and a tenth of the cost.
Now, Technetix is now in its 25th year. Can you tell me a little bit about what you're focusing on and what's next for the company?
Technetix, we're very excited about our 25th year. Technetix is a British company that's grown all across Europe. We pretty well sell into all of the EU 28 countries. But in the last 7-8 years, we set up in North America. We've been very, very successful with the USA MSOs. But the thing that's been very, very exciting in this year is that we've opened an office in Latin America, in Mexico. We're now doing some significant business in Mexico and Argentina. We also opened up offices in Kuala Lumpur and Hong Kong. And again, we're doing business in about 5 countries in Asia. So very, very excited about things because we've sort of grown from being a powerhouse in Europe to having a lot of globally interesting products that we're promoting.
Now, you mentioned that cable is well positioned. Can you tell me a little bit about how you think the HFC network will evolve over the next 10 years?
Well, we see HFC growing in bandwidth. So currently we're supplying products that have evolved from 860 to 1 gigahertz, and now we're delivering in the European market 1.2 gigahertz downstream, 200 megahertz upstream, and this is the first step in DOCSIS 3.1. But we see that moving on further up to 1.8 gigahertz, 400 megahertz downstream. So we believe HFC has got 15 to 20 years of life left in it. You know, that's why you can see the incredible valuations that companies like Liberty and Vodafone are able to attain for these networks, because these networks have got cable in the ground and are able to bring broadband speeds now.
Paul, thanks very much.
Thank you very much.